Hey everybody, I hope you're doing well. My name is David Wilkerson, and this is Surplus Funds 101. Just want to say thank you for all the people who have liked the video, subscribed to the channel, or even made a PayPal donation. One of the things that I don't really share on this channel is one of my side hobbies is aviation, and so all the PayPal donations is going towards flight school. But I mean, with that being said, you guys, I've been in the creative real estate and asset recovery business now for over a decade. I got a lot of tips and tricks, and I want to share them and give them to you. When I was first getting started, I didn't have a whole lot of resources or help from other people, and that's kind of one of the big drivers of why I'm creating a channel like this, just so I can give back, you guys. And so if you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and do it right now. But with that being said, I wanted to talk to you guys about what to do when you're feeling lost and you want to give up. Right now it's December 3rd when I am recording this video, and it is the holiday season. Christmas is right around the corner, and I think for a lot of us, we spend this time of year reflecting on the past year and all the things that we want to accomplish, but more often than not, we end up bringing up and kind of marinating a lot of self-sabotaging thoughts in our head about why we're not good enough, why we couldn't have accomplished this or made somebody prouder of us or whatever it might be. And so over the 15 years of me being in business, I've had a lot of ups and downs. I mean, I can't count how many. I'm surprised the insane asylum hasn't came and locked me up for a little bit, as a matter of fact. But there's a little protocol that I always do whenever I'm in a little rut and I need to get out of it. And I was going to share those items with you guys today because I'm sure there's a lot of you who are just like me. We were sitting around, middle of December, it's cold out, you just don't know what to do. You don't know where to get started, how to get started, or what to do, and you feel lost. And being a solopreneur, not having a team, it hits you even especially harder because you're doing everything. And when you see a little snag in the marketing and you aren't seeing conversions come in, it's really easy to let that crack your mindset and really get in. But with that being said, you guys, the very first thing I just want to let you guys know about it, all this, whenever you're feeling lost and you want to give up, it's 100% normal. Okay. Over the past 10 years, I've surrounded myself with nothing but entrepreneurs for the most part. And I have friends that make 10, 20, $50 million a year. I mean, I have some really cool people on my network, but let me tell you something about them. They're no different than us. There are days that they wake up and they have no idea what they're doing. I'm talking when I'm smoking cigars in my backyard with these guys and they start to tear up, and they'll be like, yeah, Dave, I just stared at the wall in my office because I didn't know what to do. I mean, guys that have huge staffs, it happens to all of us. So number one thing you got to realize, you guys, is that it's normal. This isn't something like it's just you or the world has conspired something evil against you. It's not like that at all. It's normal. Okay. And the second thing, this is crucially important in everything you do. Okay. Never judge or label yourself. Most of the time, us humans, we have mostly dominantly negative thoughts. It's very, very, very easy to label and judge yourself right now in an environment that we live in where everybody has a smartphone, everybody's on Instagram, everybody's looking at that person that has more money, is hotter, has better health, or whatever you might perceptionally think that they have that you don't. The last thing you want to do is label yourself a quitter, a loser, an idiot. Hey, this never happened to me before, so it probably never will. Hey, I've joined 18 network marketing companies and none of them have panned out, and so it's probably the way it's going to be. I'm just going to be one of those reject business guys. You guys never, ever, ever do that. I know it's difficult, but one of the things you'll have to consciously do over your life is just really get good at monitoring your thoughts. And when these things pop up, you just know how to just stomp them out real quick. Okay. And the third thing, I don't want to get too spiritual with you guys right now, but when you guys are a solopreneur, when you guys don't have a team, when you are doing literally everything, for your business, there's all sorts of things that can distract you, waste your time, and, can kind of put you in the mindset to where you don't know what you don't know, and so there's been a lot of times where, I don't know how to say this, but like I've woken up and had multiple tasks or options for how I can move forward with a certain project, and I always just move in the direction of pro survival. Okay. So again, dude, understand it's normal. Never judge yourself. Move in the direction of pro survival. What feels the best? And I mean, you're going to feel better when you guys just get up and you start doing something. But, when it comes to really operating and doing things that are good for you, it's tough to really be able to push all your poker chips on one thing and not have all of them. And so, always move in the direction of pro survival, you guys. Like I'm not an expert. I'm not very smart. I just kind of do what feels good. And, if it feels like it's the best thing for the business, sometimes, even if you don't have a mentor, that's what you need to do. Okay. And fourth, you guys, go help out the new guy. I can't stress this enough. You all are watching these videos on YouTube. This is YouTube University. I can't tell you how many things I've learned from YouTube. I bet you over $100,000 a year of my income goes right to the things I've picked up from watching videos just like this. And we're all here to help each other. There is a surplus, an abundance of deals, and so once you've done this and you've kind of worked your way through the ranks and you have some experience points up, like throw your arm around the new guy. You guys remember how you felt when you were brand new, when you didn't know anything, when you were a foreigner, when you were an alien, or as Barack Obama says, when you guys were, I forgot, this was like one of my favorite speeches he made, and I don't want to turn this political, but he had this speech, and you guys can go YouTube it. It's, at one time we were all aliens, and that is so damn true. I was an alien when I was the very first time I ever took a hot yoga class. Like, I was an alien at the brokerage. I was like, we all have been aliens, but like, help other people not have to feel that way. And in addition to that, it makes you feel good. It feels good to help people out. But you guys, I don't know. Like, I haven't figured out the world. There's still a lot of things that I need to do and kind of iron out. But this has just kind of always been the most boiled down protocol that I've had that can snap my mindset and get me right back on track. But you guys, with that being said, if you found any value in this video, like the video, subscribe to the channel. If you have any comments, leave them below. Other than that, have a great day and take care, you guys. Take care. Bye-bye.